Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this video, we're going to delve into the rapidly evolving landscape of industrial maintenance jobs and how you can effectively navigate it. We'll discuss strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve, from leveraging online job boards to networking at industry conferences. If you're interested in kickstarting or advancing your career in maintenance, this video is for you. Did you know that industrial maintenance worker positions are expected to grow by about 7% over the next few years? This growth is primarily due to advancements in machinery technology and an increase in automation processes. Although this average rate of growth means there will always be a demand for skilled maintenance professionals, it also means that those seeking these positions will face competition. Therefore, it's crucial to employ a variety of tactics when looking for a maintenance job. Let's discuss some of these strategies. First off, online job boards. These platforms offer a wealth of opportunities and are a great place to kickstart your job search. Let's talk about some mainstream job boards. 1. Indeed, this platform provides millions of job postings from various sources. You can narrow down your search by location, pay range, and experience level. Plus, you can upload your resume to attract employers. 2. ZipRecruiter. Here, you can upload your resume and create a profile to be matched with employers. Their mobile app makes it easy to get notifications on new opportunities. 3. CareerBuilder. This platform works with employers to create job postings. They also partner with local newspapers to create listings from their classified ads, creating one of the largest job search databases around. 4. Glassdoor. This site provides a database where you can search for positions based on location, company, and salary. They also include reviews of specific companies from current and former employees. 5. LinkedIn. This online networking service allows you to create an online profile and connect with others in the industry. It's one of the primary ways people connect with potential employers. Whenever possible, take the opportunity to create a profile and submit resumes on these sites. Having an online presence can often increase your odds of landing a position. Now let's talk about some niche job boards that are specific to maintenance employment. These can help narrow down your focus. 1. The SMRP job board. This platform allows you to submit a resume to be reviewed by the many employers who visit their site. 2. Facility Agent. This dedicated service lets you fill out an online profile, apply to maintenance jobs, and get matched with employers. Their algorithms have been finely tuned to create the best possible matches. 3. Facilities Crossing. This platform offers job listings pulled from many sources that aren't available on most other job boards. It also provides one of the most detailed search functions available, with numerous options to narrow a search. Another effective tactic is to contact hiring managers directly. While online job boards allow you to sift through numerous opportunities, they also provide everyone else with that ability. To stand out from the crowd, consider using LinkedIn to send direct messages to employers. Here's how. 1. Create a subject line that establishes a specific connection, such as a focus on maintenance and reliability. 2. Introduce yourself by name and include any relevant professional information. 3. Describe why you want to connect as briefly as possible. Perhaps you want to ask them questions or learn more about their company. Make it relevant. 4. Thank them for their time and keep it brief. Industry conferences are another great way to connect with potential employers. These events not only allow face-to-face interaction, but also provide current industry information to maintenance professionals. Some popular maintenance conferences include 1. The International Maintenance Conference, which occurs each year in December. 2. The SMRP Annual Conference, featuring exhibitions from numerous companies. 3. The Reliable Plant Conference and Exhibition, bringing maintenance and reliability professionals together for numerous learning opportunities. Attending these conferences is important for those seeking employment, as well as established professionals. They not only foster connections, but also add to a maintenance worker's knowledge by providing current information on the maintenance industry. In conclusion, the best approach to landing a maintenance job is to use as many resources as possible. By tackling a job search from multiple angles, you keep all possibilities open, increasing your chances of securing employment. So get out there and start exploring these avenues today. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of leveraging online job boards, networking at industry conferences, and directly contacting hiring managers. Remember, The key to a successful job search is using as many resources as possible. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We have a wealth of resources to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. See you in the next video.